So, you want to make cool stuff in 3D, but you don't know where to start. By the end of this video, you'll be up and running in no time. Go to this website. It should look like this. Download and install the program. When you open the program for the first time, and every time you open it, it's going to look like this. The controls are going to take some time to get used to for sure. Holding down the middle mouse button and scrolling will actually pan the camera around, while scrolling up and down like you would on a website will zoom in and out. Press A to select everything and press the delete button, because no one uses the default cube. It's cursed, it's haunted. Press Shift A to bring up the context menu and add any new shape you want. For this, we're just going to add a cube. With your new beautiful cube created, press the tab key on your keyboard to go into edit mode. It'll look like this in the top left of your screen. Make sure that one is selected. That specific one will allow you to select faces. So let's just select some faces and extrude them out. It's just a good way to get used to working in Blender. So we're just gonna make some abstract art.